Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go through all the items I purchased from my Halloween hunting video that I previously uploaded. I'm going to go through everything and show you what I managed to pick up that day. I guess the first store we're going to start out with is Michael's because the bag is empty, and that is because I'm already using everything. Okay, obviously I'm wearing my Ray Dunn pajamas that I got from Marshall's. I love them so much. They are so comfortable. My first time wearing these and I am obsessed. So soft, so comfortable, and it keeps me warm too, so that's a great plus too. And I also managed to find some really adorable Casper slippers. I've been looking all over for this kind of style of slipper, and I found them right as I was checking out. They had a little section of slippers, and you never really see Casper items anywhere. I think he's like a really underrated character. I really would like some Casper themed items, but nothing to be found. Apparently in like one of those Facebook personality quizzes, I'm Casper, so when I saw it I was like, hey, what a coinky-dink. So I got these and they are so adorable. They're just Casper with little boo written all over them. So adorable, just so simple. I love them. They're so warm too. I love wearing these in the morning. They keep my toes warm. They've been keeping my toes warm right now. I just love these kind of slippers. I don't like the big chunky ones too much. I don't like how much sound they make. I like these soft soled ones. Those are perfect for walking around the house, especially in the morning. You don't wake up the whole entire family, you know? So those were a great find. In my video, I did get it. You saw me put it in the cart. I know you did. And I am obsessed with it. It was the last one, and it was a queen size, but I don't care what size it was. I was going to get it. It was sold out online. Right here I have the Boo Ray Dunn plush blanket. So simple. I know. You're probably like, what? You bought that thing? Yes. I was going to buy it no matter what. You would have to fight me for it, okay? I love it, and it's just so simplistic, and I love it. So soft. If it's the whole bed, it's so massive. See? Such a big ball of massive plush awesomeness, and it's so warm too. It's good to just snuggle, and it keeps you just cozy. You don't want to get out of bed with this blanket, so it's kind of dangerous when you have to wake up in the morning. You're just like, I just want to sleep in. Yeah, this will keep you in bed. I did manage to get some things from Michael's, and right here is one of them. This lovely couch cushion throw pillow right here. Had to get it. It has a raven skull. Just so beautiful. It's kind of like a burlap style of fabric, and it has just some simplistic words that say the Curiosity Shop, established 1868, rare objects and oddities, all things strange and exotic. And I love this pillow. It's so beautiful. It's very decorative. I love the way it just goes with all the other pillows on the bed. Like, I can change it out and it's going to fit in. It's not super white, but I'm okay with that. It still fits in. I still like it. So it's a great decorative piece for the bed. Then from Michael's, I managed to find a few things you've seen in that Halloween hunting video. There wasn't a lot to choose from. I did want a few things from Michael's that were pretty heavy, but it would be hard to like manage that and bring that home. So it wasn't a possibility for me, so I had to leave them behind. But it's okay. I did find that like candelabra gothic, I don't know what it is, candle holder that everyone keeps talking about on Halloween Forever, the Facebook page that I'm a part of. And that thing in real life is huge and heavy, but so beautiful. Very unique, very decorative. I really loved it. I was close to getting it, and with the sale that they had, I was going to try and get it, but it didn't happen. It was just too heavy. Haley wanted that huge Venus flytrap that they had. They had a ginormous one. I always seen like the little ones, but they had a huge ginormous one. Haley wanted that. I'm like, no. That would be just too strenuous to get that home. So Haley and I both had to leave some pieces behind at Michael's, but I got a few things that I could manage to carry. I got this beautiful, cute silicone mold tray, ice cube tray, whatever tray you want it to be, I got one. I just love the tombstones. I thought this would be cute for making little jello treats or ice cubes to put in your spooky drinks in the morning. If you want an iced coffee, you could just throw a few of these into your mug or coffee cup, whatever. So super cute. Just loved it so much. And it says, "I'll be back, let me out, and R.I.P." Just some cute little tombstones to add a little flair to whatever I am making. I got some ribbon that you've seen in my pumpkin DIY video. I found the ribbon that I wanted and I am obsessed with it, and glad to tell you that I did find a home for our pumpkin friend. Our pumpkin friend is in the living room finally, so yeah, very happy that it moved out of the room. Whatever you can't find anywhere else, Michael's will have. So yes, they really did have what I wanted. So excited to see that. And you know what? I didn't think I got these. I was looking back in the footage from the video, and I did manage to get these. I have a hand candle holder from like the previous year, so I got these Tealight Candles to put in there and just add some like spookiness. I don't think they have a smell. No, they don't have a smell, but I'm okay with that. They just look really cool lit up in the Halloween hand. So we also have from Michael's, it's not complete yet, okay? We have our witch's cauldron with like little cute feet. When I saw it, I had to get one of these ceramic DIY paint it yourself items. I just love doing those. Something simple and easy and fun to do for the Halloween season, and it's something you can say, hey, I did that. That's something that I made. I really like that. So this was really fun to do. I still have to paint the handles and do a little bit of touch up, but not too much. But I'm happy with the way it's turning out. So it should be done soon, and really excited to place it somewhere cute in the room and just use it for like all year round. I might actually use this as a makeup brush holder, I think, because it's so roomy and spacious. I think it would be really cute to like have my makeup brushes in this. And I got this awesome little DIY wooden coffin skull spider jewelry box, but it also has a cool little touch. I liked it because it lights up. Isn't that cute? It's a blue light, as you can see, and it just illuminates inside the coffin. So I haven't painted that yet, but this will also be a year-round piece. I think this will be a little jewelry box. So that is that for Michael's. Really good place to get some crafty, spooky Halloween items to feed your creative side. So definitely check out Michael's for all your holiday crafting needs. They're amazing. Next up we have, let's see, this is a really fast haul video. I know. I'm just surprised as you, like, it went by so fast so far. Anyway, we took a little trip to Bath & Body Works at the mall. Picked up a few little things. Had to get some like refresher items. I got another marshmallow pumpkin latte body wash. Almost out of the first one I had in my first day of the 31 Days of Halloween video. Had to get another one because it's almost out. Then we had to pick up another vampire blood hand soap. I got the Gentle Gel hand soap this time, and I love the decorative bottle, and it's just so cool. You can get a lot more than the foam one, so I accidentally picked up the gel, but I'm not mad at that. I love the bottle. I think I just liked the bottle that day. That's why I picked it up. So you can't get enough vampire blood soap. I wish they would have like the body wash and like a body spray. They have it for all the other holiday scents. Why can't they do it for Halloween? Come on, Bath and Body Works. Help me out. Help us all out. Help a goal out. Okay? Make vampire blood into a body wash, lotion, and fragrance. I got the vampire blood hand sanitizer along with this really cute lanyard and keychain set. It's a wearable bat bestie, and it lights up and glows in the dark. That is so cute. It flashes when you press the button. That is so super cool. That was a little light show of our little bat frag here. So really cute all year round use. Really love this. So super cool and something very different. So our last store of this haul video. Can't believe it's our last place that we visited. Hot Topic right here. And I was very disappointed in Hot Topic, if you didn't notice in my video. They had nothing to show for really for Halloween. It was like Halloween didn't exist there, and by this time they should have definitely had some products. So, kind of like what happened to Hot Topic. So, did find some items. Haley found more than I did, but she's already using her stuff. I don't even know where her stuff is, so I'm going to show you what I found at Hot Topic. So, here is everything. Such a small haul for Hot Topic. This is the least I've gotten, I think, from Hot Topic in a long time. So, I managed to find a really cute eyeshadow palette called Dead Inside. And there is 12 eyeshadow shades in here, and it's kind of like a natural palette. So if you're a natural ghoul, definitely right up your alley. Really cute. You get so many beautiful like nude shades, so you can play around with this for days, and it's very on theme with like a cemetery vibe, tombstone-y vibes. I really like the embossing of the coffins on the eyeshadow. It says really cool. It gives it like an extra pizzazz and touch. It doesn't feel like something's missing. I think it just adds a nice spooky touch. Sometimes Hot Topic can have a good eyeshadow palette here and there. So I believe in you, Hot Topic. Don't let me down, okay? I dived in and bought one. I always say don't buy Hot Topic eyeshadow palettes, but I bought one, so don't let me down. I got this amazing item. I showed you that I got it. Yes, I did. It's here in real life, and I'm excited. I got the Juice Bob purse, and I have the perfect outfit to wear with it. Yes. I'm so glad that I got it. It is going to go great with a lot of my wardrobe for fall, all year round use. I am obsessed. It's so cute. It's like a little juice carton. It just snaps at the top. That's it. No zipper, nothing. It just simply snaps. So fun to play around with, but try not to break it. You can use it like this, you know, as you can see right here. Or you can just wear it regular off to the side. So adorable. It won't hold much. It's kind of like a just going out for a date night, kind of like you don't want to carry a whole bunch of items kind of purse. So you put your main staples in here and you leave a bigger purse for later. This is your fancy going out on the town purse. Not even a little pocket in here, nothing. Not even a little zipper pouch, nothing, just a carton. And it has like some little nutritional facts on the side here. It tells you your nutritional facts for being gothic right on the side. So definitely loving this. This is so adorable. Like, I love the detailing. I love everything about it. And I didn't even notice, but it says pulp free, and I don't like pulp in my juice. So see, this purse just fits me in so many different ways. I'm just so excited. I had to get it. I think I've seen similar purses to this online, but I didn't get it. But seeing it out in the wild, I had to get it. And it has a very good, well-made chain. Like, the chain has some weight to it. It's not kind of cheaply made. It feels really sturdy. They're the best purchase from Hot Topic this Halloween season by far. Really excited that I got all these items to show you for my Halloween hunting video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that one and liked my first ever Halloween hunting video I tried in that one. Tried to bring you the scoop and everything I tried. Thank you so much for watching my spooky Halloween finds video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up down below. It's really, really appreciated so much. Let me know in the comment section below, what did you get this Halloween season? What was your favorite piece that you got? Subscribe for more videos. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.